Technical alarms. Technical alarms are set up to give a warning about technical issues or problems that arise. To configure the alarms, open the Configuration Servers tab by choosing the menu option Site, then Open tab and Setup. From the Site Setup screen, click on the Configure Servers button and then choose the Technical Alarms option to configure the settings. To delete existing technical alarms, right-click on the item and choose Delete or Disable. Clicking on the New button creates a new alarm. From the pop-up screen, give the alarm a descriptive name. And then select how often the alarm repeats. These repeats can be from seconds to hours. Next, choose if the base station is called. This will cause an alarm pop-up screen to appear on the monitor, giving a visual warning of the condition. Also, select if an email needs to be sent to the responsible person. Note that CATHEXISVision email setup needs to be completed prior to configuring the alarm email. Enter the recipient email address in the To field and the alarm subject and body using the variables. Click OK to save. In the base station configuration, select the base stations that the alarm message will be sent to and click OK. In the Alarm section, click on the New button to set which technical issues will trigger the alarm. For purposes of this video, Test will be used, but there are many options covering a wide range of issues. Save the alarm by clicking OK. It should now appear in the list of technical alarms. Viewing in the camera screen, notice that the alarm pops up and can be cleared by right-clicking and clearing. Thank you for watching.